Hello kids, today we are going to listen to a story about Pinocchio. A long time ago in a small town, there lived an old toy maker named Geppetto. Geppetto wanted to have his own child, so he started to carve with his artful hands. Geppetto finally finished the nice beautiful puppet boy. Geppetto said, "Oh, what a handsome boy I've made! I shall call you Pinocchio, my son. I wish if you were a real boy." And then Pinocchio blinked his eyes. Geppetto said, "Oh my, Pinocchio is alive!" Geppetto and Pinocchio started to have happy times together. It was time for Pinocchio to go to school. Geppetto sold his only coat and gave the money to Pinocchio. Pinocchio said, "But father, where is your coat?" Geppetto said, "Oh, I didn't wear it today. It's too old and torn now. I don't like to wear it anymore. Now go, dear son, learn well and make me proud." Pinocchio said, "Thank you, father. Bye. See you." On the way, he saw a circus tent and got excited. A clown was standing on the gate. Pinocchio was about to enter the gate when the clown stopped him. Clown said, "You can't enter without money." Pinocchio replied, "Take this money and let me go." As Pinocchio entered the tent, the clown caged him. Clown said, "Now you will be a part of this circus, my living puppet," and went away from there. Pinocchio started crying. A cunning cat and greedy fox saw Pinocchio and money in Pinocchio's hand. Cat said, "What happened to you?" Pinocchio replied, "Clown took my money and caged me." As he said this, his nose began to grow longer. Fox and Cat opened the cage and made him free. Looking at the money, Cat said, "You have the money which you can plant and grow a tree full of money." Pinocchio said, "Oh, is that possible?" Fox said, "Yes, of course." Cat said, "Come with me, I will show you a good place to plant this money." Pinocchio believed it and followed the cat and the fox. Pinocchio dug a pit hole. He quickly dropped all the money in the hole. Pinocchio said, "Now this tree will grow and I can buy books and also a coat for my father." Cat said, "You fool, go away. These are my money now." Pinocchio slipped and fell into a big pit. Pinocchio called for help, but Cat and Fox took the coins and already escaped. All of a sudden, the fairy appeared. Fairy said, "What happened? How did you fall into this pit?" Pinocchio said, "I was going to buy school books and two cunning animals caught me and threw me into this hole. Then they stole my money." As soon as he said this, his nose began to grow longer again. Pinocchio asked, "What's happening to my nose? Why is it growing long?" Fairy replied, "It is because you lied. Your nose will grow longer each time you tell a lie." Pinocchio was ashamed and he spoke the whole truth to the fairy. As he started to speak the truth, his nose started to become normal. Fairy said, "Now that you are speaking the truth, I will set you free and let you go to your father." The fairy waved her magic wand on Pinocchio and she flew out of it. Pinocchio said, "Thank you, dear fairy." Fairy replied, "God bless you. Be a good boy. Don't ever lie again." Pinocchio started walking home. On his way, he saw his father in the sea. Suddenly, a giant whale swallowed his father. He jumped to the sea. He went to the whale's mouth. He called his father. Pinocchio said, "Father, is that you?" Father and son hugged each other. Pinocchio apologized. I am sorry, father. I lied to you. I spent your money to watch a circus. Pinocchio told him everything honestly. Geppetto said, It's fine, my son. I forgive you. Now we have to escape from here. But how? Pinocchio said, Let's tickle this whale. Then the whale blew out Geppetto and Pinocchio. Both swam to the seashore. Geppetto said, Pinocchio, you saved us. Pinocchio replied, I am your son. It's my duty to protect you. At that moment, the fairy appeared. Fairy said, Pinocchio, finally you have proved yourself to be a good son. You saved your father. The fairy waved her magic wand on Pinocchio. Pinocchio surprisingly said, something is beating, and my skin. I have become a human. My heart is beating. Geppetto said, Oh fairy, you gave me a son. Thank you for your kindness. Fairy replied, It's for your good work. If you do good deeds, the universe will always shower his blessings upon you. Thereafter, Pinocchio and Geppetto lived happily and made more beautiful toys for children.
बच्चों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कृपया इसे जरूर लाइक करें और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। हमारे वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलें।